We just got a very disturbing letter in the mail from Yamaha that our boat and many others from the years 2021 and 2022 may catch on fire and blow up. If you've seen the video of boats blowing up before, it is not a pretty sight. If you have any of the following boats, call your dealer immediately and have them inspect this and replace it if necessary. Please. This is the letter we got in the mail. It says, Dear Yamaha owner, Yamaha Motor Corporation USA has decided that a defect that relates to boating safety exists in certain 2021 and 2022 model year AR190, SX190, AR195, SX195, 195S, 190FSH Sport, 190FSH Deluxe, 195SSH Sport, 195SSH Deluxe, 252 FSH Sport, and 255 FSH Sport E boats. Our records indicate that you own the affected boat above. The reason for this recall: in affected boats, there's a possibility that the fuel pump or fuel pumps on some models may have been dislodged from its mounting location during the assembly process. As a result, the fuel pump and fuel tank may be under stress and the tank may leak fuel, increasing the risk of fire or explosion. Jeez, run those pumps, guys, those bilge pumps, those blower motors. What your Yamaha dealer will do: your authorized Yamaha boat dealer will inspect the fuel pump or pumps to see if they are lodged or damaged. If a fuel pump is discovered to be dislodged, your dealer will install it correctly. It takes about 30 minutes. If the fuel pump is dislodged, complete repair takes an hour. But your dealer may need to keep your boat longer. There will be no charge for you for this procedure. What you should do now: please call your Yamaha dealer to make a service appointment to have this procedure performed. At that same time, they'll tell you how long it's going to take, basically. In bold, it says, you should not operate your affected boat shown above until this inspection and, if necessary, modification is performed. If you are unable to return to the Yamaha dealer who sold you the boat, this inspection will be performed by any authorized Yamaha boat dealer. You can call 800-88-YAMAHA or visit yamaha-motor.com to find a dealer. It says if you have had this repair performed already, you can be entitled to receive reimbursement. Call Yamaha Customer Relations 866-894-1626. So folks, please, if you have this boat, call your dealer right away. Don't even start your boat. It's not worth it. If you have it in a garage, maybe you should pull it, hook it up to your trailer, open the garage doors, windows, let the fumes vent. If this is happening, pull it out into the driveway, call your dealer, get this fixed. I winterized my boat myself, but I decided I didn't have enough time to look it up and the procedures and get all the stuff, so I made an appointment with my dealer, brought it in, and right before they called and said, all right, it's winterized, you can come pick it up, my wife called and said, we just got this letter about boats blowing up. So I asked them about it, and for some reason I guess they don't check. It's not like a car dealership where they look up your vehicle, see if there are any open recalls. But he said, yes, we do need to, he looked it up on his computer, we do need to look it up right now. And that's what they're doing. They looked it up and they're inspecting this fuel pump to see if it needs to be repaired or replaced. Luckily, our boat was not affected, so we'll be on our way. They told me that Yamaha has done this before with wave runners and that they didn't actually ever find any that they inspected here at my local boat shop that had the issue, but that Yamaha wants to be safer than sorry.